The Weather Authority forecast now. Meteorologist Violet Skyber is in as we look ahead to this week that, boy, it's not February and it's not March.
No, but I mean, spring technically isn't too far away. However, yeah, the warmth that we're seeing outside, nowhere near normal for this time of year. And it only gets warmer as we go through this week. So meteorological spring starts when March begins in 4 days. Plus, we're also looking ahead. The clocks spring forward in 13 days from now. And the official start of spring isn't until 22 days. That's on March 19th. But we are going to see a taste of some spring warmth. We were in the 50s today, but we're looking ahead to 4 days in the 60s over the next 7 days. We'll come close to some records as well. High of 67 tomorrow, likely to break the old record of 64. Wednesday also coming close, forecasting 64. The record is 66. Then looking ahead to the weekend, we're expecting another warm up, pushing us to 60 degrees for Sunday and Monday. The record for both days is 63. Keep in mind, our normal highs should be in the upper 30s, so that is much warmer than normal. We're still nice and mild this evening. Temperatures right now, low 50s to upper 40s. We should be in the mid to upper 30s. So again, this is still above average. And we're seeing plenty of sun, at least up until sunset within the hour. We are looking ahead, though, to our next weather system that's a very stretched out one, but it's going to strengthen as it moves further east towards us, keeping this warmer air over us for the next couple of days. And then as the center of this system rolls through, it's going to pack a punch, bringing us some strong thunderstorms, changing over to possibly some heavy snow and a flash freeze on the backside as that cold front goes through. Temperatures could be dropping 20 degrees in the matter of a couple of hours. And you can see the difference in the temperatures across the country. These were our highs today. We were in the 50s here in Syracuse. Right now, temperatures are in the 70s and 80s in the Midwest. Notice it's in the 30s on the other side of that system. That's what we'll be dropping in as we go towards the middle of the week. And as the center of that system rolls through, we're also watching the risk for flooding on Wednesday, right when that cold front goes through, as we'll have some heavy rain along that line, stretching all the way from the Carolinas all the way up into Maine and including us here in central New York. Timing this out with your futurecast. Right now, temperatures are in the upper 40s, sinking through the 40s as we go through this evening. Mostly sunny skies up until sunset, then mostly clear tonight. We'll be bottoming out in the mid-30s late this evening up until midnight. Then temperatures rise after midnight. So we'll be starting off tomorrow morning with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. So much milder than average. And we'll also have a mostly sunny sky to start the day, but some extra clouds begin to build in around lunchtime. Temperatures reaching the lower 60s, upper 60s in the afternoon, and then we'll start to see some thunderstorm activity looking to arrive in Syracuse closer to 4 or 5 p.m., so getting closer to that sunset hour. And once the storms arrive around 4 or 5, they'll be on and off up until about 9 or 10 p.m., and then we're looking ahead to some quieter conditions during the overnight, at least up until 3 a.m. That's when our next batch rolls through with the center of that weather system. This will be on and off through the day Wednesday with batches of rain, possibly some thunderstorms. A better chance to see some stronger storms along the edge of that cold front, which rolls through right around 3 or 4 p.m. Wednesday, changing over to heavy snow, and could even see some lake effect snow on the backside. Plus, we'll have some pretty strong wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So heavy lake effect snow Thursday on the backside of that system. Sunshine Friday, warming back up into 60s later on in the weekend, and the weather looks pretty quiet. Michael?
Thanks, Violet. Coming up on CBS.